This past January 2022, there were only 80 homes on the market. Now there are 135. The median sales price of those homes was $554,500, and now it's $712,500. It's Friday, September 2nd, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert, with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. You need to know what the market is doing locally, so be sure to subscribe for our weekly updates. Homes on the market right now have been on the market for a median 45 days. Of the 135 homes available, price reductions rose to 60%. Let's look at what the Annapolis activity did this past week. 13 homes are coming soon, falling from 20 last report. 20 homes came to the market since last week, up 43%. 22 homes went under contract, down 27% this week. 19 homes are temporarily off, falling 5%. 10 homes went pending, up 9%. 44 homes sold, up to 7 days, 100% list to sale ratio. The highest sale this past week was in Bay Ridge for $2,200,000. Rental inventory rose to 32 homes for lease at $2,700, listed at an average of 16 days thus far. Thinking about moving? I believe you should feel confident about buying or selling a home. Call me to talk about how we can make this happen for you. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, September 2nd, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, enjoy your Labor Day holiday.